as we witness changes in the retail merchandising industry, we see increased demand for merchandisers for the need to innovate with smaller footprints and smaller budgets. And yet the product line continues to expand. And so this is a real challenge for retail merchandisers. What we do, we specialize in display technology that can eliminate this challenge and increase innovation dramatically. And so what we do this with a smaller budget and also a way smaller footprint. And I'm going to show you how. So what you're looking at is some of the display technology, what we do. This particular display is a cloud shape, but it can be any shape. We do a rear projection that is film that is adhered to this piece of acrylic. Now this would mimic your, say, glass, your storefront window, and basically this film adheres right onto your window, or if you want, you could adhere this, put this on the ceiling, round shapes, circle shapes. We've done a couple. We've done one where it's like a shape of Coca-Cola, and it's animating and fizzing, and the packaging looks really cool, and you can do all kinds of neat things with that. Another thing we've done is a circle shape, which we've done where it's a pizza that different slices from the pizza are animating on and off, and it's really, really cool. But I think the most impressive one that you'll also see is the mannequin that we're working on, and that's going to be out soon. So you're going to have this silhouette, life-size silhouette standing and talking to you. We capture them on video, and then we project it onto this acrylic projection film just as you see, and that is really cool. So there's a lot of neat stuff, and so let me demonstrate some of the components that are involved. This is a projector that where it's projecting right onto the actual film, and this is from a different perspective here where we actually see the film, the projection animating obviously backwards because we're standing behind it. And so what would happen is basically that projector would be hanging suspended from the ceiling. The other item is a small media player. This media player can be tucked away, so if it's in the ceiling somewhere, we can put brackets on it, so somewhere has plenty of ventilation, and you could tuck that away, and it's also small enough to hide that. And so just basically a display port through VGA going into the projector. And updating content is really simple. It's a very similar process to updating content on Facebook. When you basically log in and upload videos and images, it's that same process. Now today, this gives you a greater flexibility to communicate your message in specials, whether you want to have weekly specials or hourly specials. And just think about how much money you're going to be saving. I mean, you don't have to print or ship or new posters, hang new posters up like you used to, and you could do this throughout all your locations. It's brighter, it's also a lot more noticeable, and it's when you see animating images, it does attract your attention a lot more than, say, a static image does, and gets you traction for customers to come into your store. Today you stepped into the new era of communication. To see a solution that can help you take advantage of the limitless shapes that combines with video, I mean, it's awesome for a merchandiser. I mean, the range of creativity now is bringing up to a new scale, a new dimension. And this is a great way to communicate, get passerby's attention to come into your store and interact and ask questions. And so you can see there's limitless ideas, and it's pretty exciting. So if you have any ideas or some questions, you want to understand a little bit more how this works, please give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to hear from you and how we can help you to innovate and communicate with those smaller budgets and also the smaller footprints. This is a great way to do it.